Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Just want to give you a quick update. Something I've been working on with Max of DropEffect, maker of the OmniaDrop. Uh, sort of came up with an idea that he's implementing for me, but we've combined the OmniaDrop with a quick mount um, setup so that it's one piece. The main body has a quick mounting adapter built into it. So this is the first test of actually implementing it. I had to redesign my corresponding mounts for both the exoslide and linear rails. Now, right now they're not very pretty, but just sort of a proof of concept to see if they would work. And what I'm doing is, actually testing some prints with them. But you can see that on this one, the clear white is the OmniDrop main body with the mounting adapter built into it. And then the yellow is the part that it mounts into. And this runs on a linear rail. And this one, pretty much the same thing, except the orange then is for the exoslide mount. So if I flip those levers, they pop right off. And one of the things we had to do is move the Easy Able mount. And Max has integrated that into the OmniDrop also. It's working really well. I'm printing some name tags for some neighbors that I've got some presents for. And I'm printing some airplane snowflakes. My daughter, she works for Delta, and they've been great. She hasn't missed a day of work since the pandemic started. And unlike some other airlines, they are trying to keep everybody working and trying to keep flying. So I just wanted to share that real quickly, and I'll be putting some more videos out on this because I'm really impressed with this. I can unhook this now in about less than a minute, and that's why I put connectors in all the wiring for the hot end, the motors, and the extruder motor and the fan motors. Please leave me any questions. I think Max will be publishing something on this also. Thank you.